Peppers பொழுதுபோக்கு தொலைக்காட்சி சுட சுட உங்கள் மனதை தொட
30 minutes of beauty, 30 minutes of brain. Vanakkam Negale, my name is Rajiv and welcome to a super honor episode of 30 minutes with us only on Peppers Television. Well, of course, my friends, in the show, we have with us someone very, very beautiful, someone very, very talented, someone extremely successful, someone very, very promising. In the show, my friends, in the next 30 minutes, because we'll be talking about Naan. Naan, we'll be talking to and about Rupa Manjari. Welcome.
Very good, thank you.
First of all, I was shocked here because 3 days back, posters party of Sivapur. Now I'm saying, what happened to Rupa? Yeah, where is Rupa? Iniki paathe, I'm saying, wow, what is Rupa? Avlo or change, yeah, fantastic. This is the magic of cinema actually. That was magic of cinema irukku. One day you're totally over de-glam in the movie Sivapur. Iniki vandu romba glamorous ah alagana vandirukkinga neenga. First of all, tell me, Rupa, how is life treating you? Life எப்படி போயிட்டு இருக்கு?
Life
phone number அதே தான் இருக்கா? Yeah. சொல்றாங்க மாத்திட்டீங்க, so confirmation வேணும். Okay, tell me, how's life?
Life is great by God's grace.
தமிழ் சினிமால வந்து with all due respect, சில actors இருக்காங்க ரொம்ப பியூட்டிஃபுல்லா இருக்காங்க, சில actors வந்து ரொம்ப brainy-ஆ இருக்காங்க. I think Rupa வந்து ஒரு perfect blend of beauty and brains. நிச்சயமா சொல்றேன். I think you've grown very smartly, very cleverly நீங்க வந்திருக்கீங்க சினிமால.
I hope you're really complimenting me.
Genuine சொல்றேன்மா. And நான் வந்து ஒரு பெரிய turning point in the last time வந்து we met during Naan.
Yeah.
And அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து Rupa Manjari has become very solid ஆன ஒரு actress. Very cleverly நீங்க யோசிக்கிறீங்க இது பண்ணணுமா வேண்டாமா. Tell me why Sivapur? எப்படி இந்த ஒரு challenge நீங்க எடுத்துட்டீங்க Sivapur?
See, everybody kept asking me why you're not doing much number of movies. I was like, the only answer that I have, more than numbers, I want every movie of mine to be talked about.
Correct. Quality and not quantity vandu unnoda priority.
Quality matters more than quantity.
That's why I told you, beauty and brain. Correct ah neenga solreenga.
So luckily எனக்கு வந்து first படம் திருத்துரும் சரி நானும் சரி ரெண்டு படமே வந்து urban lookல இருந்தாலும் different genres, different characters. So my performance for both the movies were very different. But at the same time I always had this desire to do a very rural subject.
யார் பார்த்த இந்த இன்ஸ்பிரேஷன்? Was it someone நீங்க பாத்தீங்க சரி இந்த மாதிரி பண்ணனுமா இங்கிலீஷ் மூவிஸ்லயா ஹிந்தி மூவிஸ்லயா நம்ம தமிழ் சினிமால? இல்ல நம்ம தமிழ் சினிமால there are really nice movies which is very taken in a very rustic and realistic way. And எனக்கு வந்து ஒரு ரொம்ப நாளா ஒரு performance oriented ஒரு character பண்ணனும்னு ஒரு ஆசை இருந்தது. And rural subject சொன்னாலே நிறைய பேர் வந்து ரூபா மச்சான் அவங்க வந்து ரொம்ப மாடர்னா சிட்டி கேர்லா இருப்பாங்க. It was like one mental block. இல்ல அவங்க சூட் ஆக மாட்டாங்க அப்படின்ட்டு நிறைய பேர் had it in their mind. So சிவப்பு எனக்கு டாக்டர் சத்யசிவா I think he mentioned கரகு வந்து பண்ணிருக்காங்க. He's done கரகு, correct?
Yeah, he's done the movie கரகு. He's in fact mentioned the reason that he chose me is for my curly hair. Not because it's beautiful, because
இந்த முடி பார்த்து முடிவு ஏத்திருக்காங்க, கரெக்ட்டா?
Yeah.
Not bad, man, that's a cool line. இந்த முடி பார்த்து முடிவு ஏத்திருக்காங்க. I am very proud of my
give some credit that you have little brains.
So seeing your hairstyle வந்து choose பண்ணாங்க actually.
Yeah, no, it was not for the look of the hair, it was not for the beauty of the hair. It was because it was necessary for that character. Because I play a Sri Lankan refugee and it had the nativity, the curly had the nativity of a Sri Lankan girl. And he's also seen my performances in my previous movies.
Naan and Tiruthiru.
Yeah, and seen my other Malayalam movies. He was quite, I think he felt that, I would, get, I'll be apt for this role. And when he approached me and when he told me the line, when he told me the subject, I had no two minds about it.
வந்து ஒரு இன்ஸ்பிரேஷன்.
Yeah, because this is the kind of role that I've been wanting.
Correct. இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ரோல் performance oriented role சொல்வாங்க. இந்த மாதிரி ரோல் வந்து செலவாட்டி characters ஒரு actor லைஃப்ல வந்து ஒரு வாட்டி தான் வரும். It's very difficult to get these type of roles, especially in Indian cinema. உங்களுக்கு so early stage in your careerல வந்து இந்த வாய்ப்பு கிடைச்சிருக்கு உங்களுக்கு. So tell me, இந்த ஒரு burden-ஆ இருந்துச்சா? Because nowadays acting for actors வந்து is very important to look very nice. நீங்க வந்து de-glamour பண்றீங்க, அது ஒரு விஷயம். and such a heavy performance oriented role. அது வந்து என்ன யோசிச்சீங்க? ஒரு பயமா இருந்துச்சா என்ன வந்து this is my do or die opportunity, a great chance to prove myself in a different level? எப்படி எடுத்தீங்க?
It was definitely not a burden because like I said, I've been waiting for a role like this. And and another thing, I was happy. No makeup, no touch up, no worry if your costume is okay. Because in this movie I'm a laborer.
Correct.
And
you had to look bad.
I had to look dirty.
அது ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா
I had to
உங்களுக்கு.
Yeah,
because you are naturally very beautiful, so அது வந்து to look slightly not beautiful வந்து ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா
இருக்கும். We just had to get and work with the laborers in all the mud and muck and all that. But you never have to worry about taking care of
my
your
hair,
dress,
my eyes, and the makeup, my
you have to
lips
look
color,
prim from all the time. So that is like, oh, okay, fine. One movie I never have to do that. But most importantly, I had to concentrate a lot on my performance. Like I said, this was one role where gave me an opportunity for me to display my acting skills.
Correct.
So I think this was just the perfect movie for me, and I'm so glad it came my way.
So நீங்க வந்து not only as an actress grow ஆயிருக்கீங்க, also as a human being வந்து you've learned something, which everyone
human being has grown. Yes, it made me realize there are a lot of people with much more difficulties in life. What are we all cribbing about?
Yeah, correct. We crib about traffic, pollution, ஆனா அது தவிர வந்து உலகத்துல அவ்வளவு கஷ்டமா இருக்கு.
There's more what you call it's a matter of life and death.
Correct.
I think
every single day வந்து life காக fight பண்றாங்க, which
so there are so many people are homeless, they don't have food, they don't have shelter, they don't know where to go. So I don't think so. I think people like us should be very fortunate.
Definitely.
And should just stop cribbing about things that we have.
Superbly said. Well, of course, Rupa, you've learnt a lot about yourself, about acting as well in this movie. Anna, you're actually portraying an emotion of a lot of people. Back there, Sri Lanka வந்து அப்படி ஃபீல் பண்ணாங்க, நீங்க வந்து portray பண்றீங்க. We'll discuss about all the processes while shooting, how difficult it was, the fun moments, the hard moments. Also, we discussed when the mirror came, she'll say, "Ayo, it's looking too beautiful. Let's look slightly ugly." But Rupa, நீங்க சொன்னீங்க இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ரோல்க்கு வந்து நீங்க காத்துறீங்க. You were waiting for this type of a role. வந்தது director சொன்னாங்க, "This is the role you're doing." Actually, முடி வந்து அப்படி raw இருக்கு, real இருக்கு, so we'll take you on. அது வரைக்கும் வந்து it's all ஒரு fairy tale மாதிரி. And to get prepared for this role, to go into the character, வந்து என்னென்ன பண்ணீங்க? How challenging was it? எவ்வளவு வித்தியாசமா இருந்தது from doing a Tiru or from a Nan? இதுக்கு வந்து என்ன preparation பண்ணீங்க நீங்க ரூபா?
The only preparations that I did for this movie, for this role, I went online and I in the Sri Lankan
Google பார்த்து
basically that because Sri Lankan issue நம்ம எல்லாருக்கும் தெரியும், we just see it newsல பார்க்கிறோம், we read about it, அந்த அளவுக்கு வந்து, but I wanted to know more in detail how the people are. So I saw watched a lot of videos. I read a lot about it. Apart from that, நான் இதுக்கு முன்னாடி சொன்ன மாதிரி that lady who was there with me, the Sri Lankan lady, she was very informative, and I think her information really helped me
you understand the character,
understand the character more, and gave me more information than anybody else. So I think I just kept all that in my head and did my best for the role.
Definitely, of course, posters and trailers வந்து it shows that the entire team has done a superb job. Direction le, music le, வந்து performances le, வந்து in this type of a movie, the chemistry between a director and the actors ரொம்ப முக்கியமா இருக்கு. You need to understand how the monster வந்து என்ன இருக்கு. Tell me, how was it working with this young director? என்ன different and how was it gelling with him? என்ன memorable experiences இருந்தது? Tell me about that.
Director Satya Shiva, he's very
tell some bad things. All the time I'm hearing good, so tell some bad things about him.
Bad things, he
doesn't know to direct properly. I taught him direction. அப்படி நீங்க சொல்லுங்க.
No, then the movie wouldn't have turned out this well.
Tell me about it.
No, I think the bad things about him is always into his work. He forgets the fact that people have to eat, people have to sleep.
So ரொம்ப focused இருக்காரு.
No, that is a good thing. I'm not saying that's a bad thing. It's a compliment for him because he's so focused, and it helped the movie a lot that way. And the only thing I'm very happy about it is that he gave me a lot of freedom in terms of acting. அவர் வந்து எனக்கு நீங்க வந்து ஆக்டிங் நடிக்காதீங்க யதார்த்தமா இருங்க ஃபீல் பண்ணுங்க
நேச்சுரலா இருங்க how Rupa would be அந்த மாதிரி
ஐயா இந்த not even Rupa இந்த சிச்சுவேஷன்ல நீங்க இருந்தா how would a human being would naturally react and behave so he wanted that very ஒரு realistic-ஆன ஒரு யதார்த்தம் so அதுதான் நான் பண்ணிருக்கேன் so that way he's given me freedom
very nice
so அந்த வகையில எனக்கு வந்து எக்ஸ்ப்ளோர் பண்ண முடிஞ்சது
yeah you can experiment with yourself experiment
with the different kind of expressions and everything so that way I'm happy
super and of course tell me இது பண்ண வந்து வேற என்ன USPs நீங்க பாக்குறீங்க you see the music as a big USP the performances the actor also young இருக்காங்க fresh இருக்காங்க tell me about that
I think this
chemistry எப்படி இருக்கு chemistry ரொம்ப முக்கியமா இருக்கு how was the chemistry
chemistry I think is really good Naveen and me got along really well from day one அவர் வந்து தெலுங்குல he's very popular he's done 3-4 movies in Telugu and he's the current heartthrob there so but ரொம்ப what do you call sincere and very focused actor
okay
very committed to his work and I was very amazed seeing his dedication and got along really well. We're very good friends. We turned up being really good friends. So apart from Naveen in this movie, of course, the other USPs is Madhu Ambat sir is a 3-time national award cinematographer. He's
cinematographer.
Yeah, அவர் வந்து ரொம்ப senior-ஆன technician in our country and அவர் வந்து I think he was one of the reasons
plus points
plus points and for me he was one of the reasons to even say yes for this project because I've seen his work அவர் பண்ண படம் எல்லாம் நான் பார்த்திருக்கேன் I was like wow it's a privilege being in a movie that he's shooting so and he's given amazing
even without makeup one day he'll make you look so beautiful that is the reason tell me one thing எங்க shoot பண்ணுங்க ஏனா பார்க்கிறதுக்கு இந்த trailers it looks like all real locations very rustic on locations
we shot in real locations
எங்க shoot பண்ணுங்க
Thoothukudi and Vizag and mostly Thoothukudi and Vizag most of the movie and little bit in Pondicherry and Chennai
okay
so majorly we shot in Vizag where the real construction was going on we shot in real construction site so so he's given amazing visuals
like tell me this project வந்து உங்களுக்கு எவ்வளவு முக்கியமா இருக்கு how important is the success or the failure of this project
it's important for me as an actor it's a very important movie for me like I said before in the padathila vandu I was able to explore my acting skills so because it's highly performance oriented role there's nothing else apart from performance
so success in that actually will take you to another big level which I'm hopeful that you definitely
and it will definitely will be very confident about it because not only me the entire team has done a great job I think there's absolutely I wouldn't say there's any flaw in anybody so in the padam kandipa
மக்கள் போய்ட்டு பார்க்கணும் நான் பிரீமியர் பாப்பேன் because I will go with you and I'll tell all the viewers before we go for a small break Rupa tell all the viewers Moon Karanam why they should definitely watch this movie 3 plus points 3 USPs of this ஒரு மெசேஜ் இருக்கா performance superb இருக்கா வித்தியாசமான எடுத்துர்க்காங்களா tell them 3 reasons number 4th reason actually number 1 reason வந்து ரூபா அது தவிர 3 reasons
என்ன பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் இந்த படத்துல first thing is the message of the movie
super
it's a message வந்து ஒரு love story இருந்தாலும் more than love story ஒரு ஸ்ட்ராங்கான மெசேஜ் இருக்கு நம்ம தினமும் நிறைய விஷயங்கள் கேள்விப்பட்டுட்டு இருக்கோம் பட் நிறைய பிரச்சனை போயிட்டு இருக்கு அது வந்து ஒரு மூவியா எடுத்து வந்திருக்கோம் and director I think has been very what you called guts he has the guts to do a movie on such a very sensitive subject நான் சொல்வேன் சோ அதுக்காகவே நீங்க வந்து படத்தை நீங்க போய் கண்டிப்பா
இதுக்காகவே நான் டிக்கெட் வாங்குமா 2 டிக்கெட் வாங்குமா இதுக்காகவே அப்ப அவ்வளவு ஃபீல் பண்ண சொல்றீங்க
ஆமா ஏனா நான் அவ்வளவு ஃபீல் பண்ணிட்டேன் இந்த படம் பண்ணும்போது சோ அந்த வகையில I think all of you நம்ம எல்லாரும் கண்டிப்பா அந்த படத்தை பார்க்கணும் and another reason the entire team's effort எல்லாரும் நாங்க ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்பட்டு day and night கஷ்டப்பட்டு
day and night cement தூக்கிருக்காங்க mud போடுறாங்க தள்ளல so please go and watch மூணாவது காரணம்
and மூணாவது காரணம் it's a good movie So நீங்க வந்து
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சொல்லலாமே இந்த மூணு காரணமே
it's entirely it sums up to a nice very good feel good movie. கண்டிப்பா எல்லார் மனசும் இந்த படம் எல்லார் மனசும் பாதிக்கிற மாதிரி இந்த படம் இருக்கும். So if you really want to go and feel yes andra madri or feel irunda
I want to go and feel yes and
I didn't know what to say.
Brainy Manjri, correct as well. Very good. Yeah. Okay, now tell me, Rupa, one good news for you. Last 7 minutes with me. Are you happy?
Oh, very happy.
This is a genuine performance. Okay, I wish you all the very best for Silverpur first of all. And you have some other very interesting movies coming up also. Or ghost, horror and plus comedy. And the mani or pada irukudane.
It's a horror comedy kadiyadu. It's a thriller comedy.
Thriller comedy.
Yeah. You will know when you watch the movie. Yeah, I'm doing.
And pay kandipa neenga illa. You cannot be paid.
No.
No.
So padam peru Yamirukkum Bayame. It's been directed by it's a debutant director, DK. He's KV Anand's associate.
Super.
And Krishna is my co-star. And it's been produced by RS Entertainment. It's a very young team. It's a very, very young team. There are a lot of new technicians that has been introduced in the movie.
Tell me a bit about your role. உங்க ரோல் பத்தி கொஞ்சம் லைட்டா சொல்லுங்க. எப்படி நீங்க சொன்னீங்க ஒரு ஸ்ரீலங்கன் அதெல்லாம் சொன்னீங்க சிவப்புக்கு. இதுக்கு வந்து என்ன மாதிரி ஒரு ரோல் இருக்கு and
இது வந்து
why நீங்க சூஸ் பண்ணீங்க இந்த ரோல் actually?
இந்த படத்துல I'll be again an urban girl, but character wise I play a very funny, eccentric and a very
outspoken.
It's not a outspoken, very loud character.
Easy, உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப ஈஸியா இது.
Yeah, you think I'm loud? No.
No, okay. இப்போ வந்து you are too loud.
Yeah, now I'll be loud. So இந்த படத்துல வந்து again like I said என்னோட 4 படமே like till Yamirukkum Bayame in Tamil. I think I've been lucky to get urban irundhalum different characters irundhathu. So and all the characters had different equations in terms of expressions and emotions and everything. So Yamirukkum Bayame is a totally different color altogether. So I think after Silverpur
again genre irukku. Genre வந்து
எல்லா படமும் வந்து different genresல இருக்கும். So I think I didn't have a repetitive genres. So and that will be totally a fun movie.
How was the shooting all this? Yeah, nalla fun irukum. Young team inda you get to have so much of fun. Every day vandu or party madri irukku, but you work very very hard.
Yeah, we did.
Every into that was
well we in the padam vandu naanga Nainital la shoot pannom. We were shooting in Nainital for like close to 50 days. And young team like although we didn't we were sleeping for like very few hours because we had a non-stop schedule. But I think we just enjoyed being on the sets. We worked very hard, but we had a lot of fun. There was all we'll be shooting seriously at the same time. We'll be like laughing and cracking jokes.
Good. And the madhi or experience in that or atmosphere in that you feel like
you'll feel like being on the sets. You'll feel like going for the shoot.
Tell me, in the journey of Tamil cinema le which is the one moment that you feel is your happiest moment? Ipo varaiku you're still young in cinema, you're still growing, you have lots more to do, lots more that neenga panno aasai padringa. Ana ipo varaiku Rupa Manjri is a known actress. So in the journey le tell me which is your high, which is your low. Enna or moment neenga feel panninga super, enna moment feel panninga oh no not again. In the madhi or திருப்பி experience வேண்டவே வேண்டா. And then we can go like oh yeah.
No, I think எனக்கு ஹையும் இல்ல லோவும் இல்ல. I think my journey has been
very now feel பண்ணிட்டு question கொண்டு வந்து நீங்க வந்து blank ஆ கொடுத்திருக்கீங்க. No, you have to answer.
No, I am answering. Coming to that. There is no high and low for me. I think it's been a very steady journey for me because I have been very conscious in choosing my projects. Now when the conscious away I want to as much as possible I am trying to choose movies that will be talked about and remembered even years down the line. So I am growing but at a very
slow and steady wins the race and the motto ninga follow.
So I'm happy about that. And every moment has been very what do you call it remarkable moment for me, learning experience. And I've been very happy with whatever has happened in my life. Absolutely no regrets.
And last few questions, tell me enna oda palakam endadhu neenga vittinga. What is the one habit you had, good or bad, vittinga?
losing my temper immediately. Like I said, my patience have gone really high.
That's good, no?
So I do get very angry, but I know how to keep in control.
Okay. And what's the one thing that you want to learn quickly? என்ன ஒரு விஷயம் நீங்க கத்துக்கணும் ஆசைப்படுறீங்க?
What I want to learn?
Yeah.
Learn a lot of things.
Tell quickly one.
That's what I want to learn, a lot of
like
things.
What? Like what? You want to learn painting, how to make a glass table, என்ன கத்துக்கணும்? How to swim like a fish?
I wish I could learn everything in this world.
Okay, and what's the one thing that you want to buy? ஒரு விஷயம் நீங்க வாங்கணும் ஆசைப்படுறீங்க?
I want to buy.
Okay, not like
no, I've been wanting to buy an proper professional what do you call it?
Camera?
No, telescope, because I love astronomy.
Telescope to look at the stars.
I can buy that, but I've been postponing it for a very long time. I'm very, I think astronomy interests me too much.
நீங்க காசு waste பண்ணுங்க, interest waste பண்ணுங்க, because in the telescope basically look at all the stars, and stars பார்க்கணும்னா just go stand in front of the mirror, you'll see a very beautiful ஆன ஒரு star.
Wow.
எங்கயோ போயிட்டு. Okay.
Now full credit you have raised.
Thank you. And last simple ஆன question உங்களுக்கு யாருக்கு நீங்க bye bye சொல்லணும் ஆசைப்படுறீங்க? Who you want to say bye bye to? Thank you.
Yeah, you.
Okay.
Bye bye to all the people who always what do you call, put you down, and who keeps cribbing about everything in life. Yeah. And I don't want to be in the company of people who's very demotivating.
Yeah, negative papanga.
Demotivating is very annoying to me, at least. So please stay away.
I know, Rupa, you don't want to tell me bye on a time to say bye bye to me, because 30 minutes ஆயிருக்கு. On that note, thank you so much for coming on the show once again. And உங்க fans-க்கு, உங்க friends-க்கு, viewers-க்கு give them one message that they should keep watching your shows, keep loving you the way they have been. ஒரு message கொடுத்துரு, and then we'll say bye bye.
One message like I say always,
you want to feel
happy. Yeah, feel in life about everything. Stay happy. It's not the end of the world. So all of us go through ups and downs. So face it boldly, even if it's good or even if it's bad. Just take it very sportively and be happy.
And go, yeah.
And go,
okay.
Yeah.
On that note, thank you so much. Pleasure meeting you. Keep smiling. You have a wonderful on a smile. So keep smiling.
You.
God bless you. On that note, boys and girls, it's time to go and tell God, please forgive me. Thank you for watching a super Bana episode of 30 Minutes with us. My name is Raji. This was the fantastic, beautiful, Rupa Manjari. Goodbye and stay tuned to Peppers Television.